Uh, so yeah, if you are not finding right kind of people right now, trust me, people are there. You'll find them eventually. But if you won't try, you won't get it. I just received this advice today कि just go ask them out. Maybe they say yes, maybe they say no. Just compliments them. It's easy, just a simple compliment कि you have a nice watch, you are wearing like that shirt look nice. These things will increase your chances. You have to take risk and then say these two things to people because you never know what you'll find in them. It is a saying कि तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं चाह रहा किसी को एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट देने से. Let me tell you one story of mine कि a compliment made me blush. Kind of. I was traveling from Pune to Delhi, and the flight was of like 12 a.m. like morning की flight थी. And like in the middle of the flight, कोई like I'm fucking introvert, but I look nice. So I was just listening music. I was sitting in like middle seat, like 3 seat होती है. I was sitting on the middle seat, and the air hostess walked to my seat. And imagine what? She fucking compliments me about my hairs and about my smile. Ki you have a bright smile. Bhai, I was fucking smiling in the entire flight after that because boys don't receive like compliments, and it was really special for me receiving a compliment. It really meant a lot for me. So giving someone a compliment won't make you like small. It will just be genuine, be honest, be the weirdest person someone will ever met. You know what you'll find in them. But have your intention pure because it दिख जाता है like सामने वाले person के intentions क्या हैं. I know this is a superpower girls that they can see like is this a genuinely good person or it's not. So have good intentions and be straightforward, give them compliments and just try to be a little confident. And the thing is, fake confidence and the real confidence is the same thing. It's just like fake it till you make it. Just pretend that there is no difference between a fake confidence and a real confidence. The difference is in our subconscious mind, which will make ourselves okay. Yeah. And it's like we can be confident enough. Like okay, just have this one thing. I'm cool. Let's see सामने वाला person कितना cool है. And if you have your intention pure, even they say no, they won't talk to you sometime. But eventually, like after 50, like if you approach 50 people, one of them will talk to you, and that's what you need. See you. That's me. Bye. You are watching Hunny Chhikara. See you. That's me. Bye. You are watching Hunny Chhikara point of view. See you in the next video. Bye. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you wanna watch me more and if you wanna support me because I'm on a journey to make friends on the way, and the destination is getting a happy married life with a lot of money. See you. Bye. Signing off. Hunny Chhikara point of view.